Okay, Mr. Moriarty, would you like to meet my colleague and take a seat?
Okay, hi, my name's Josephine Watson.
Hi.
I'm going to be doing the written interview record with you today. There's just a few details I need to take you through first. Okay, so you're here to represent a limited company, which is Reichenbach Limited.
Reichenbach Limited,
Reichenbach
yeah.
Limited. Okay. And what's your full name, please?
It's Mickey Moriarty. Well, it's Michael Joseph Moriarty.
Okay, and are you authorised to represent the company?
Yes, I am. I'm one of the directors.
Okay. And can you tell me the company number, please?
Not off the top of my head, but I could go and find that out.
Okay, well, we'll leave that for now and come back to that at the end of the interview.
Okay.
Can you tell me the registered office of the company?
The registered office is the same address as where we trade from, so it's Grimpenmire Industrial Estate, West Midshires, WM2 1JJ.
Can I have a contact telephone number for you, please?
Do you want the company number or do you want my personal details?
For the company, if that's where your company's based, that number.
Right, in that case it's West Midshires, which is 01924 417 429.
9. Okay. So I'll just fill in the date on here as well. And we're in the place of interview, which is West Midshires Regulatory Authority Office. My colleague's name, Sam Holmes. Okay, now, because you're here to represent the company Reichenbach Limited in relation to possible offences under the environmental regulations, I've got to advise you of your rights. So, first of all, I need to caution you and tell you that you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court, and anything you do say may be given in evidence. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So the time is now 13:20. I just also advise you that you're not under arrest, you're free to leave at any time.
Yeah.
And ask you if you would like to have a legal representative or solicitor present.
Not at the moment. I've spoken to my solicitor and I'm happy to proceed at the moment.
Okay, so if at any point you change your mind, just let us know, we can pause the interview.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for that. If I can just ask that you speak very slowly and allow my colleague to keep up with your answers. It has to be done in writing, okay?
Yeah, sure.
First question. Tell me about Reichenbach Limited.
Right, well, started it in 2003 when me and my partner, we both got made redundant at the same time, and we decided what we needed to...
Just pause you there, sorry. Obviously my colleague's got to write down word for word what we're saying, so if I could just ask you to speak very slowly and pause frequently so my colleague can keep in touch with us.
Yeah, if you're going too fast, I'll just raise my hand, and if then you could just slow down and wait for me to catch it.
Right,
That'd be
okay.
great. Okay?
Yeah, sorry.
Thanks. So, the question was, tell me about Reichenbach Limited.
Right, we started the company in 2003 after me and my partner both got made redundant at the same time. So we decided to start up on our own.
Were there any contractors on your site on that date?
There were there were.
Who were they?
There was There was the guy from Higgins, who was there for the drainage works.
Do you accept, having gone through the circumstances related to this incident, that Reichenbach Limited have committed the offence under Environmental Regulations 2011?
No, I don't.
Okay, that is the end of my questions, unless there's anything my colleague wishes to ask. Okay. Could I just ask you to slowly and carefully read through this record of the interview and just make sure it's a true and accurate reflection of what's just been said?
Okay. There's just a problem here. I think Mike got a bit mixed up. It wasn't me that was on site. I wasn't there on the 23rd. It was my partner who was on site on the 23rd.
Right, okay. I can't remove that from the record, but I can add an additional question so you can clarify that. So if I can just have the record back.
Yes.
Record.
Yeah.
I'll just give that final document to my colleague. So if I ask the question, what would you like to clarify?
I wasn't on site on the 23rd, but my co-director was there.
Okay, thank you. Perhaps if we just ask you then just to finish checking the record.
Okay. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah, that's fine now.
Okay, if I can just have those. I'm just going to ask you to sign these documents. If I could ask you to sign, please, in this bottom box down here, just to say that you're happy that's a true and accurate record. Just in this box here, please.
Here?
Yeah. Thank you. If you could also sign on the bottom of this page here. And if that's if you ask you to sign just underneath the bottom of the text on this last page here, so nothing can be added.
Just here?
Just anywhere underneath that text, please. Yeah, thank you. That's great. We'll also just sign those documents, and then that's the formalities finished. Thank you very much.
Are we done?
We are. Those documents are all sealed now. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Okay.
Okay.
Any further inquiries, please give us a call.
Yeah, all right, thank you.